Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am nursing a mild cold. So every time I am sick, I think of a ragam that actually has a healing effect. And the first ragam that comes to mind is Malahari. Now Malahari is a janyam of 15th Melakarta Maya Malavgole. I'm sure all of us are familiar with Maya Malavgole because that is the first ragam that we learn when we do our basics. You know, the Sharli verses, Chanta verses, Tatu verses, Melsthayi verses, Alankarams and all these basics, they're usually taught in Maya Malavgole. And transitioning from these basics into the Geetam, Malahari is an ideal choice because it is a janyam of a ragam that you are familiar with. You've done all the basics, you've been learning this ragam for the past few months. So it is a perfect ragam to transition when you are going into the next level. Now the Arohanam and Avrohanam for Malahari are, I'll sing first and then I'll tell you the Swarasthanas. The Arohanam and Avrohanam is as follows. Sa re ma pa da sa sa da pa ma ga re sa. So it has 5 notes in the ascent and 6 notes in the descent. So Arohanam is Shadjam, Shuddha Rishabham, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam and Shuddha Daivatam, all Shuddhams. Avrohanam as Shadjam, then Shuddha Daivatam, Panchamam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Antara Gandharam and Shuddha Rishabham. So a Gandharam is extra in the Avarohanam. Now before, like all my previous videos, before I go into the Veenai part of the Geetam, let me sing it first and then you can, try. I don't say you can try. I hope that you will be able to follow it when I play it in the Veenai. And I think I have forgotten to tell you what Geetam I am going to play. It is Kunda Gaura set to Rupaka Talam. So the Geetam is as follows. Kunda Gaura Gauri Vara Mandiraya Mana Mukutta Mandara Kusumakara Makarandam Vasituva Hemakuta Simhasana Virupaksha Karunakara Mandara Kusumakara Makarandam Vasituva Chandamama Mandakini Mandiraya Manamukutta Mandara Kusumakara Makarandam Vasituva. So when we play the Arohanam and Avrohanam of Malahari in the Veenai, so one thing to focus is that Malahari always has a Gamakam for Re in the Arohanam and Da in the Arohanam. Re and Da are a Gamakam in Malahari during the Arohanam. Avarohanam you have Gamakam and Da, and then you also have a Gamakam and Ga and a Jaru from Ga to Re. So I'll show you how it is played. So you would have noticed that I did Sa and Re in the second string so that I can give a Gamakam to the Re, and then Ma I did plain, and then Pa, and then I did Da in Pa itself. So if you oscillate Pa, it becomes Da. Da, Sa, and then from Da to Sa there was a Jaru, and then return. Sa I gave a general Jaru, and then Da I oscillated in Pa, and then Pa was plain, Ma was plain, and then Ga, and then a Jaru from Ga to Re. So that is how I played, and this is how generally Malahari is played. So let me now play Kunda Gaura in the Veenai. and I really hope you are able to make the connection between my singing and my play. Also, there is this one phrase in Malahari which comes quite often, that is Rima Pada. So if you take the first Geetam, Shri Gananatha, you have Amba Sutta. So that is Rima Pada Mapa. So similarly in Kunda Gaura, the same Rima Pada Mapa is repeated 3 times. First in Gauri Vara. The second is Simhasana, and the third one is Mandakini. So, depending on the situation and depending on how you want to bring out the essence of the ragam, you can either play it plain like this, or you can have a jaru from ma to re. So like this. So either using Amba Sutta in Sri Gananatha or Gauri Vara, or you can sing like this, Gauri Vara. So there is this, you just have to pluck in ma and then take your hand to re, this has to be a transition. So that actually brings out a beautiful, beautiful essence of Malahari. So depending on the situation and depending on how you want to present a certain phrase or certain section of a song, you can use this kind of jarus as well. I really hope Malahari has the same healing effect on you as it has on me. And till we see next time, I really hope Malahari keeps healing you. I will be back with another video soon. But till then, take care of yourselves. Bye.